I hope you remember how to log in. If you don't, please watch from my first or second video. So this is loops with Scrat. I hope you remember loops. Scrat is our character. This one's a bit simple. There are many ways. You have to pick the easiest one, suppose the straight line. You take a repeat loop and put it here like this. Then you put the direction you want to go into. I'm not doing it as you can use any path. It's just for an example. I'm going to help you a bit with the 11th and 12th. So I'll show you. 11th one is a bit like the 9th. So I'm just going to give you a clue, which is you can use 4 repeat loops maximum to do this puzzle. Then this is the 12th one. This one I'll do it for you and also explain the code. So do you remember what we did last time? Last time we did repeat 4 north and then we made a way to go there. It's almost the same, but this time you put a 5 like this. I take a repeat loop. I have to go 5 times north, so I'll do this and attach it here. I have to go north, so I'll put this. Then I get here. Then what do? There's so many ways I could go. I'll go on with putting a new repeat loop. If I'm here and the acorn's here, what will I do? I'll go on with going east 5 times. What was it? East. Let's see if it works. So our first repeat loop is working out nice, and so is our second. Yay! We completed loops with Scrat. We completed lesson 8. So let's continue to go on to lesson 9. Ooh, lesson 9, the collector, is my favorite one. I hope you like it. I'm skipping this video as I've seen it, but please watch it. The video tells about how it will work and how you will, code in this. This is a free play. And you see these diamond thingies? You have to collect them. Your goal is to collect 1. And the way you get it is like this. I'll just show you the example for the first few. So I'm seeing a pattern. Do you see every time there's a skip one before you go to the other one? So what if we write east get 5 times? Or 3. Let's see if it works. Wow, we got more than we had to. That was just for example. Now I'll go on to the 11th one to help. The 11th one is not that hard. Or should I help with the 13th one? Well, while it's loading, I can tell you what you'll have. There may be a lot, but first you have to look at the goal. Like here, the goal is 10. So we'll go like this. If I do that, it will repeat 3 times, and my code inside it is that will get me here. Then I'll go on with another repeat loop. Once I've joined it, I'll put how much number? It's a 5. Five times south and get. Once I've done that, I'll go which direction? You guessed it, it's east. Guess how many times 2? 2 east. And a get, so I get the diamonds. And I'll also join the repeat loop to the rest of the code so it works. Now I'll run my code. That gets us 3 diamonds already. Now we are gonna get on our way to our 8. Yay, we got all 10. We could use 10 blocks and that's how many we did.